Gathered here two Kansept knives, Korvid extra large and Korvid mini. So let's unbox it. This is quite fun. So this is the extra large. This thing is huge. Check this out. This thing's around $50. You could buy titanium handle and much better steel, but look at that. Boom. This is like a huge, looks like one of those axes, or in the kitchen what they called cleaver. There you go, that's what I'm looking for. A giant cleaver over here. It's pretty smooth, but as you can see, because it's so heavy, it's kind of hard to flip it. Even when it's a little bit forward this way, you really have to flick it good. Look at that. Imagine having that in your pocket. I guess cell phones are pretty big, but yeah, it's big as a cell phone. Where's my cell phone? Check this out. That's huge. Huge clip over here. Wow. That's iPhone 13. Boom. That is incredibly funny. Steel is 154 cm. Extra large Korvid, and there's the logo for designer. Pretty fun. I love overbuild giant knives, but is that even a knife? That looks like a cleaver axe. You know, those cooking cleaver axe. But yeah, very smooth. I like that one. And this one is a miniature one. A little bit better packaging. I guess they couldn't even fit in their packaging one of these axes. That's funny. So they had to come out with one of these little holders instead. Okay, let's see what's about. Wow, what a difference. Yeah, the tiny one's a little bit better. I love little tiny giant miniature cleavers like that, axes. That's beautiful. So there's a little bit of a difference between of them. The flipper is the same, but what is that, a phone flipper? Let's try it. Wow, you could flip it with a phone. Liner lock. So, and a regular flipper right here. It's actually quite snappy. It has quite nice resistance. You see that lock? Look at that. Do you see that pull versus this one? Has a pull too, look at that. Boom. What about where is it leveled? Wow, it's perfectly leveled. You see, that's where we're gonna hold it, and to me it's very important. You could hold it this way for precision cutting and things like that, but yeah, it's a nice little cleaver over here, axe. I should call it folding axe. Check this out. And a miniature folding axe. Flicks it out so good. This is fun. I love miniature knives that look like big axes and things like that. The thicker they are, the better in my opinion. I love tiny but huge knives. So this is pretty big. I like it. Boom. Anyways, what do you guys think? Would you carry one of this? A little bit ridiculous, but at the same time fun.